Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a Likkle Everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and with me is my husband Marcel, and this morning we are in Trelawney at a place called Lodge. So we're here to speak with a lady. Her name is Shireen Cunningham, and in a while you'll hear her story. But please remember to like, share and to subscribe to the channel. So once we post a new video you will be updated. Alright, let's get into it. Yes, baby. Oh, no, all right. Oh, are your son alive?
No.
Oh, okay. Are your cousin? Oh, okay. Miss Shireen. We can come.
Yes, darling.
Oh, okay.
I can't wait time before we dig up the water for him, so there's something.
Oh, water did in here?
Last week.
Oh.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Oh, you call him to come help you take up the water?
Yeah,
Before it looked like the wet water came in?
Yeah, sometimes I want door, look at door, I want what I can't afford it. I mean, I know position. Can't, even if you're not pretty like this, I can't find nothing. I'm poor.
You're poor?
You can't look around there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, my little boy live over in Ghana over there, so I wash up the mirror and then now send the little one Dante to go for water to help me wash.
Them say, them are your cousin?
Yeah, I mean, his father did and my cousin a town son, so we just take him.
Oh.
And I nobody.
Okay, okay. So him live with you?
My sister, she in a better position than me. I'm not in no position to maintain him, but if we cook, we give him one another.
Okay.
If we have a little money, we give him.
Okay, okay. All right, so I know you said we're to look around here, but before we do that, just explain to us, your reason for calling us. What is your situation?
Well, sometimes I can't buy food, so I mean, I work. I don't really want to send my little last son back out art school, but I can't afford it. So I have to pause, put it on pause, and I'm one. As I can't check nothing in here, and go them there as me that tell you, not another here.
How many children do you
I got
have?
2 boys.
2 boys. What are the ages?
18, 16.
Okay, so the
18 when I learn trade out the road.
Okay, and he lives with you?
Yes, yes.
Oh, both of them live with you?
Yes, miss.
Okay.
Yes, miss.
Okay, you say you were in the hospital?
Last week. But they go the last. I mean, always I go in the hospital so often. I mean, I fret and I say, one day if the lady come and she not go see me.
No, we never came.
Oh, okay.
So what you say happened to you now why you ended up in the hospital?
My foot did swell up. So like, me have some water pill I take. So it look like so because I don't even need to take them as well, let me take them. But my foot them swell up, because I go Monday like 3 weeks before a doctor. So then just skip me last week at Spalding's and make me come out back Friday. Friday me come out back. So I go back over there till the 16th. I not even know when I get fear, but by the help of God. I 16 me go back.
Just a water pill. What are those?
When some pill when you swell up, you enjoy on your foot.
Oh, so you always have a swelling issue, so you're supposed to take...
Since last year, come on for me.
Okay.
Last year to this year, June 1st, never see it. One time last year, September, no. So you gone down, you know.
Okay, so your feet always getting swollen?
Yes, yes. And when you swell your pain, you don't want your ankle. But so I can't so manage to walk in, and that's why I send them for water for me.
Oh, okay.
I mean, I don't look for help. So then I have a big help.
Okay.
And God bless you, my thank you if you come. I really want to look for help.
Yes.
Really want to help. As you can see, me not lie to you. You see it for yourself. Yeah.
So this space that you're in, it's yours?
Yes, it's a young lady did really give me through this sufferation and the sickness. People sickness them. She live Kingston, as she really and truly build herself. I could find no money.
She build it for you?
Yeah,
okay.
Because so when I did live up the road, I'm a parent and so struggling.
Yes.
So she come and make it. She never like the situation, so she come and make it. So she say, like how the door fall off, me for big help for the door. Because she do what she could have do. So she do what she could have do for true.
Yeah.
as a stranger, you understand? Just as though you're a stranger, you look out to me, the same thing she do. And she alone make it. I have a nail in it.
Yes.
Nothing I never have in there, nothing. So I need to tell her no lie.
Yes.
So she's sorry for me. In my condition, come to live for me one for 19 years, 19 out of rent and light bill. And she said, no, I get sicker and sicker, so I need help.
Also you started getting sick, so that is what led up to you being in this position?
Yeah.
Okay.
So she put me right here so upon my mother's land. So the land of my mother. So she said, although you don't have anything, you better have a room for yourself.
Where's your mom?
She gone go sell mango. You might be past one lady who sell mango.
Oh no, we
She
never
walk
saw
around and
her.
sell.
Okay.
She poor too, you know, but she lived down at the middle, so but she walk up and down and sell. Maybe her husband go down know her.
Okay.
He go down know her. She always walk and sell for a long time. But she get mango, so she can go look for her customers. Them.
Okay. So are you able to walk around and so?
Yes, man, but since me come back, I like how me walk, you know.
So you were born and raised in Lodge?
Me did born and raised in Warsaw. Me used to live down here already, like a couple years ago I moved, go back up the road. I live up on my Ernell about 12 years. I live out on my story boat. One another 4 years, so that'll be 16. Because I live about here about 20 odd years in a community. Different rent place.
Yes.
And the next 16 years now we grow at Kingston because my mother grow away. So she buy land down here, come down here, come live. You can't say I live down here 20 odd years. But since 2014 I go through illness. Go through hernia, ectopic, all type of surgery, cut, surgery. So since that now, because the ectopic here, so I cut the hernia about 3 times already, same cut. So I have 4 cuts in my belly. So I go through great surgery already. But this girl always, when she dey here, me always wash her, clean for her and so. So she say, me willing and me always go work. So she said she can't make me stay in this condition. So that's how she get to bill here. So.
Yes.
I mean, I call her phone, I mean, I get her phone.
No, since the hurricane.
But since the hurricane, I get her. Because she does say, if things turn her way, she would have tiled or she said, I must beg one help with the door. Because the door I feel lock.
It's cold in here though, like very cold. You feel it?
Cold man at night time, bad. Especially
the floor, there's some.
See it? You have those catchy, so.
Oh, that's how you catch it.
You have catchy.
Oh.
And I make nobody know.
Yeah.
You see?
Yeah. No.
You better they know no. You better they know no. I'm get the help.
Yeah.
You better they know. We thank you, man.
Yes, you're welcome.
I mean, that not good. That have 18 years, me had a piece of stove there. So if I get one, I go 2 burn off, I go pan that stand there, me dash that. 18 years, me had a one there, so my 80 did just up in a Christiana.
Okay. So you cook on it?
You can't use man, but I don't know gas. The gas just done last week.
So when you cook now that you don't have no gas?
Look, wood. There's some wood right there, so.
Oh, you cook out the door? On this side of the house?
Yeah, man.
Oh.
Let me black them up, the squad them back. It's only black up there in 2 years.
Yes.
I create them off when we're ready. I squad them back, man.
Okay. So
you see the one me that tell us I come really nothing at all. And my mother cook and give me since I come out of the hospital. Me really. Yeah, me God do make a lady come.
Yeah.
Do make a lady come.
Yeah.
I pray for you come.
I don't know what happened, but we were unable to come at that time.
You have a 40 day in a year, me I call.
Yes.
But just a hurricane, we not go get you till after. Like come back.
Yes.
At least them me consider you.
Yes. Oh Lord.
And also me used to stay and me used to work in a Julian bar down Riverside. Used to work a pot bar. I used to dip on my foot and take care of my children, them send them to high school and take care of myself. But the sickness just put me right down. Yeah, man, I used to work and take care of them. I used to work on a Dixie. Road and road. I used to walk and sell for myself.
Yes.
But you see, anytime you get down sick,
Yes.
There is nothing you can do. You have to just be ready.
Yeah. Yeah.
Push the door. Thanks.
You can give that.
Thanks. Thanks.
Oopsie.
Thanks.
Oh.
Alright, this happy. That one I look for depression. Because since I go through a problem from last year, I'm going to look at depression for this one. Alright, this one I feel thyroid, I feel throat. Alright, this I feel throat also, feel thyroid.
Okay.
Alright. This is a pressure pill, and this is a pressure pill also.
Oh. Okay.
Some of them, they never have it, so I get everything.
Oh, so there are more that you need to get when they have it. So maybe when you go back for your next appointment.
I get one for me heart, because they need to say heart are enlarged. Because I sick bad. Because if your heart are enlarged, you need help. So, this is for heart pill.
Yes.
And this is for depression.
Okay.
If I feel depression, so as soon as me go back, they will give me some for the heart.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
So, some of them if you get me, not get them yet. But this is depression one, me started them from last year, from January, since year me I take them, till now.
Okay.
So they tell me, so when I come back 2 weeks time, I'm going to change them. I'm going to give them stronger drugs and see how it work for me.
Okay.
So they just give me plan 2 months, 2 weeks supply, then put me on now.
Okay, okay.
Yes, miss. So this is not going to pill them I may have. But normally, when they give me pill, they give me a bag full. So maybe 2 some I eat now today, then just give me them here. But it best pill them, you know. You see one of me buy in a pharmacy, Care Plus pharmacy.
Yeah.
Better me live up to day one day, because they work better than this. You know, so too much I free one no work. You didn't know?
No, I never know.
No work. But we have to take it over poor. How we not, you understand?
Yeah.
But the one you buy in a Care Plus is better. Because when me buy,
Yes.
swelling gone, everything gone.
Yes.
No pain, nothing. When you finish, everything gone back to normal.
Okay. But you find that when you take the one that you get at the clinic, it don't have the same effect.
Yeah, yeah. And the doctor said to me, say, some of my pill them can get effect too.
Side
But
effects.
yeah, but you don't know which one.
Yeah.
You see, you have to notice them. Or you take them and study it, and you will know which one give pain or so.
Okay.
But God bless you, I'm my niece, I'm
And
my
your
sister
niece
daughter.
also she
And
ensure that you take the
Every morning, every evening.
yeah.
I'm a little love by now.
Okay, that's wonderful.
She comes since morning with her salt mackerel and dumpling and she come with her medication already.
Oh, you love auntie, not true. Oh.
And come man.
Yeah.
And you see later when you're ready, come with the dinner and you might come back with the pill them. She not left them.
Oh my God.
Yeah, man, he not left them.
That's so sweet.
If nobody say something she don't like it, then you leave me alone.
Yeah.
Actually, she know say, she know when me dey on foot and also me treat them.
Yeah, yeah.
She know me always love you all of them and so. So when me dey on my foot and also me deal with her.
Yeah.
So I say leave him alone. She know cussing and you say leave him alone.
Yeah.
Cause me used to rent, they used to come spend weekend with me. And me treat them good like how me treat for me them good too.
Yeah.
Yeah man, you can ask her. Other people, children used to come around me.
Yes.
Yeah, me love Pitney man, I me not happy. Me not like people abuse Pitney.
Yes. Oh.
She and her sister used to come. My 2 sons and other one guy with me used to be friend for him too. Pitney used to be there too. 6 away.
Yes.
And me make 7 and me take care of them. Me not grow them out of door, maybe they staying inside.
Yeah.
So nothing can happen to them because they hint me in my eye. When they come out, come be like that, when they come use the bathroom, I eat that, they don't come back out.
Yes.
That's what you will do too.
Yeah, man. You treat them good and they remember.
That's why she love me.
Yes.
That's the reason why she love me. Like we have a little pocket money we give her.
Okay.
But since I come down here now, I sit and step me more.
Yes.
That was me up the road. Me up the road is not so bad.
Yes.
But for the last 3 years me down here now. Since the girl make it house,
Yes.
me get worse, you know, worse condition.
Oh.
She said to me, say, she could have do already, but she said, Sherry, you have to beg some more.
Yes,
You
it's
cannot
hard.
stay so.
It's hard for her alone.
Yeah, hard, man. She said, I need to help you out. Though. She said, I'm not afraid.
Yeah.
Somebody did come interview me too, you know, and she did come, you know.
Yes.
From Kingston. And she said, I'm not afraid, just do it.
You're right.
Because I'm in a nice position.
Okay, how long ago was that?
That's about 4.5 years or 5 years now.
Oh, so did you get any help?
People that will come, I don't know how our business go.
Oh.
We wouldn't know.
Yeah.
We wouldn't know. Maybe I fear links them.
Oh, so you not hear anything from that?
No,
okay.
No. So she can't get it and put it in her house and me, no.
Oh, okay, I understand what you mean now. Make your mouth run water.
We see it fine in the hospital, but I tell them what them and so they don't know which one I can see and then I find new one.
Okay.
And there, man, God bless her, no?
Yes.
Yeah, and God bless her too. A long time. I had a piece of stove a long time.
Yeah.
But if me get a 2 burner, me can't throw it away.
Yeah.
Somebody give me one good stand.
Okay. Oh, you have this stand here, so it's just this stove that you would need. Okay. Sorry.
Easy.
Yeah. So
Easy,
I can only imagine.
Easy. Me a girl, I always put myself together. And when you see me like this,
Yes.
Easy, darling. Easy.
Yeah.
When I look and see Likkle boy this morning, I mean, I don't forgive me, shape my head. I say, God,
Yeah.
God, you are God, you know.
Yeah.
And you go up in our way.
Absolutely.
But them pill there, you have to eat every minute. They make you hungry.
Yes.
That me not like with them. You have to eat every minute. She carry salt mackerel and 2 dumpling and 3 pieces of yam. I give Likkle boy 1 piece of yam. And 1 salt mackerel and 1 dumpling.
Okay.
I share it, man.
Yes, yes.
Last night, my mother gave me saltfish and dumpling and yam.
You have to take it easy though on the salt stuff since you have the pressure.
No, she soak out in her sugar for the night before.
Okay.
Then she cook it last night. She soak out it 1 day before.
Yeah.
And she know me have pressure and she have pressure too.
Yes, yes.
So we are going to do now, if me not, if we make up with her today, come back.
Okay.
If anything, me she has talk about chicken liver. And that good feel low blood count me have. So we encourage her if you cook that.
Yes. Okay.
And me have low blood count.
Yeah.
Me have thyroid, low blood count, heart problem, pressure. Me have a poor circulation.
Yes.
And me have a asthma.
Oh my.
Me have, how me have again? One other one man, 8 of them.
So Miss Shireen, because we did bring you some groceries and stuff, because I remember when we talked one at the time you were asking if we had anything.
God bless you, man.
Yes, so in a little while.
You read my mind.
Yeah.
Me I read my mind. The day when me tell you, alright, and I chew out this one, I wait for you. Say, lady, I come today.
Oh my God.
Say, lady, I come today. But me understand, when I do the work, there's a lot of people need help. And because of that, you have to go back and forward.
Yes.
So me understand.
Yes.
I know how to work.
We sorry we weren't able to come at that time, because just being here now and seeing you, we know that your situation is dire. Right. So in a little while we get those stuff for you. But I realize you said one of your medication is for depression. So that depression that you developed was, since you got sick and so on?
Yeah, yes. Because guess what, alright, you used to pay your rent, your bills, you can't manage. You used to buy your food, you can't manage. You used to take care of your children, you can't manage. You go through other obstacles, you can't manage. So you will think.
Yes.
You will think, man.
So you're considering it.
Yeah. I won't lie to you, yes.
Yes.
I won't lie to you. So then someone give me a better one. For that one,
yes.
They'll give me a better tire.
Okay. So you sleep during the days? Because right now you look tired.
Most of the night time.
You sleep at night, but you don't sleep in the day.
No. When you look boy carry the water, same place where I come, when I go away, they go rinse them out.
Oh, you wash
Just
the
them there
clothes.
alone. Just them there alone. They go rinse out I do away if they not sour. And then this weekend now, look one over the side, me wash for me and him.
Okay.
Sometimes a big one wash too. They rotate the work.
Yes.
They help man. But me don't want them there sour.
Yes.
So I go rinse them out and make them same and hang out it.
Okay.
And then no, rinse up them plate. And I don't rinse them up now. I go lie down.
Okay.
I go lie down.
Okay.
If me did on my foot strong, you know, but I beg help and go back to market to make money, but not upon my foot strong.
So you're not able to do those type of jobs anymore?
If me watch this sickness, if me I try watch it 1-2 months and see if me could go back. If me feel better 1-2 months,
yes,
would I go back and 2 days a week and make me money?
Yes.
Because it's a town market. If you go there with 20 grand, you can make a money. If you go there with 30, you can make a money. You sell a little yam, a little potato, a little banana, a little carrot.
Yes.
All you don't sell 2 days. Sell cheap or somebody can go back again.
Yes.
You know, then you can go sell like a big eagle them because you don't have money like them. I watch myself and see if I come back around to do it.
Yeah, okay.
I don't promise myself yet, I have to watch it first.
Yes.
But I know you can make money up there because you go Tuesday, you come back on Wednesday, you go Thursday, you come back on Friday. 2 days a week no more.
Yes.
And you have your money. If I borrow your money, you pay back your money, you get all your profit them for yourself.
Yes.
So you save all of them profit them for yourself and go on your own.
Okay, yes.
And what you can do to a person will help you. You can get them a little small out of money. You encourage them to strengthen labor because they never have to help you.
True.
Because enough time I hire money. Sometimes somebody lend me 10 grand. I just give them a 5 grand because you make more than that profit.
Yes.
You can't do all.
It's true.
I market that.
Yes, I like your reasoning. Yeah.
I be a borrow money me always use and me always house and pay them back. But guess what happened to me last time? Cardi lick me down. So I don't mash up my start.
Yeah.
I don't mash up my start. My foot where you see bus there so. Cardi lick me down on a parade. Yes, so cut down my nose. So I don't mash up my start, let me not go back. Cardi lick me down. Cardi lick me down one. And that's why I mean,
Thanks.
Thanks. And that's why I now want to put on.
Yes, yeah, right now.
Thanks. Cardi lick me down. I'm going to go to Kingston Public Hospital.
Okay.
So that's why I don't have no money out of it.
Oh, so at that time when you had the car accident, you were already experiencing these type of illnesses? Oh, so when you were sick, you were still going to the market?
That's why I say if I feel better, I go back.
Yeah.
I feel, because you want a market girl up there, you know. Nothing no life on her. And she trust me alone. When you ready to buy things, come to hospital, come give me.
Okay.
But she said, me get back strong. He said, you know, make me look on makeup. And she make up. And we put it together and start.
Okay.
She have good mind just like you.
Yeah.
She said, me get one help from somebody. She will put fair help on it and put me back up there.
Okay, okay. So we just have to pray for you to, be healthy again after 2 months so you can try and go to the market.
Kind of makes sense you go now.
Yeah. You have to get well first.
I myself may watch it 2 months. See how I react in 2 months. Because I do it in a month, but I watch it for 2 months, 2 more months and see.
Okay.
By now in August, I want to see if I can go back. And see how it work.
Yes.
Because you can make it. Me go up there with 1 bag of tomato and myself.
Yeah.
$50 a pound, $100 a pound.
Okay.
I might be, if I meet you at that time too, after I get the lick down, I go back already too.
Yeah.
But God send in the right time.
Yes, man. He's right on time.
Right time. Because I never get anything outside.
Yeah.
And I say I don't pressure people in cartoon where you come from. And then you hope that every day they will kill you.
Yeah.
I just love you.
Yeah.
You wrong me? I don't push it, I pressure it, sir. At 20 grand, the man did give me and I take it. I say, God, my life there.
Yeah.
Make it on.
Yeah.
To one day I live. Country me live. Now I push nothing with them. So I just take 20,000 and call it a day.
Okay.
Because my life is here.
Yes. Yes.
Some people say me figure out what me say no, sir. Now God no cold. Can't put fire in the water. You're in trouble.
Yeah.
So I just take him money and just tell him thanks. God bless him. And that's it. So when the insurance come, I might get it. But it no matter.
Yes.
Upon the boulevard, him live a country land, me live, you have to know what I do.
Yes.
You have to think about everything.
It's true.
When them think you're an idiot, you're not an idiot. Since you're sensible,
Yeah.
you don't know people. Somebody can just walk on your style. Help, I don't really want to know till we reach to that level. Alright, you see, if we finance, if we buy like stuff, I can't manage.
Like food stuff day to day?
Yeah, I can't manage that. I can't manage that none at all, I know. None at all in a month. I can't manage that none at all. If you even give me one look $2 and I go for that and go buy something. Buy that done, I don't know I get another one again.
Yes.
That's my biggest issue.
So food is the biggest issue day to day, finding it every day.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, and what else?
And if I find a little 2-burner stove, and sometimes if you got a doctor, you know, fear if you got swallowings.
Okay.
Or no fear if you got a clinic in Mandeville. That's why I stop put interest in a clinic, because financial problem.
Yes.
I don't care, I don't care about my health, but every time if you got Mandeville, you know, fear.
Yes.
So if I get a little fear, like when they put me on the clinic, more I want a little fear, like we go.
So how often you normally, when you're on the clinic in Mandeville, how often you are to go?
Well, when we go this month, when we go 18, I'll see what it's like, and then we tell you.
So usually you take a taxi to,
Yeah,
okay. And like how much is a taxi fare?
Call you say, 3 go Christmas and 3 come back. Call you say 1,000 go and come for the day.
Okay. And you buy lunch?
Yeah, call you 2 grand for the day, that's not bad. That's not bad.
Yeah. It's just that you're not able to find it. Okay. All right.
Anyone have any help can give sharing Cunningham, Warsop District, Warsop P.O. Trelawney, Lodge District. Please, I'm asking if any local help you can give it to me in any way you can, like food wise, like a 2-burner stove, like sponsored my medication, like every time if you get help with my medication, because I have hyperthyroid stage 1, I have a depression, I have pressure, I have asthma, I have poor circulation, I have heart enlarged, I have other complicated problem. So please, I have a little difficult one time. I would like to buy me food and stuff like that. I have 2 sons, but they are not working. One are learning trade, to get far into the trade as they, but him still going. And I have a little one if he go back to school, but through financial problem, he could get to graduate from high school. He have to take himself out of school because through my illness from last year, he could get to graduate this year. So please, if anybody out there, I'm asking you to consider me, please, in any little small way, or if you have any different type of help where you can help, I will surely accept it. Thank you very much.
Oopsie. All right, Miss Sharon, I must put these down. Rest them here?
Yes, miss. Thanks. God bless you.
You're welcome. All right.
God bless you, darling.
Okay.
Just at times I love you and I love him.
We love you too.
Yeah. Thank you very much, Michelle. Thank you very much, Marcel. God bless you all, because I didn't have anything. This morning my son said to me, say, we all get $200 to charge the phone. He said things I don't have any. But the Lord will provide, and the Lord provide for true, because I get more than what I can manage now. But in God me trust.
Yes.
Who God bless, no man curse.
Indeed.
So thank you, guys, to do what you do for me. And I will keep on stick to you, and I will keep on try to surrender my life to God. I hope to change soon, because without God me is nothing.
Yes.
Because nothing without salvation. It's nothing without salvation, and if without God, we would meet today. So in God we trust.
Yes.
And people, I thank you very much for the help. So much. I know I work hard, but in God we trust.
Yes.
In God we trust. I thank you very much for your help.
May I give you $1,000 so you can charge your phone?
Okay, thanks very much. Thank you, Marcel. God bless you for your $1,000. Without you, who could it be but God? Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah.
I go spend it off, I go save it. I just see $200 I spend because I'm a saver.
Yeah.
Somebody give me $1,000 for last week, Sunday, and he never finished the list today.
Oh, wow.
Because I pinch Likkle. And give me, when my mother cook,
Yes.
she give me some.
Yes.
One of my friends did buy one 3 jack mackerel, carrot and gear, one ketchup and some cooking oil. I just gear to make up and cook because I no gas.
Yes.
So I same thing I go do, same procedure.
Yes, man.
Because she have gas and I don't have any.
Okay.
Yeah. But the piece of stuff that as old as it be, it's still good still.
Yes, but you
Just
don't
go and wait till
guess
better come.
Yeah.
Till better come.
Absolutely.
So, sir, I appreciate you a lot. I appreciate you a lot. I appreciate your wife a lot.
Yes.
I'm happy to meet you. I'm so happy. I want to know in the best of wealth. Alright. Because without you, we would meet you today. And without God, we would see you today. So, Father God, have mercy on them, have mercy on me also. Take care of them, take care of your good people, and take care of me same way.
Amen.
In God, me trust. Yeah.
Yes, man. Absolutely. Well said. Well said.
Yeah.
All right, Miss Shireen.
Yeah. You see me get more than me.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Get more than.
Okay.
Get more than the amount, you see?
Yes, man.
I mean, I expect this, you know? I you know, so me used to dip on me put me was a mean girl.
Yes.
No, sir. Was a mean girl. But that's how you go, you know?
Yes.
God sending good people them for you.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Yes. All right, everyone, you would have heard Shireen's story and you know what would have gone through, what she's currently going through, and the things that she's asking us to assist her with. So if anyone is in a position and you're able to assist in any way, please reach out to us at 876-512-4055. All right, in the meantime, this is where we end the video for today. Thank you so much for making it Likkle Everything Jamaican. Blessed love, stay safe, and bye-bye.